Good morning, guys. I am just kicking back watching the rain this morning. It will rain for a little bit and then it'll stop, then it'll start pouring, then it'll stop again and almost dry up and then start again. Absolutely crazy. But it is kind of peaceful just sitting out here reading on the porch and enjoying my coffee and watching the rain, you know? There's so many things I need to do today that require me to get out and run around, and right now, I just don't even feel like it. One of the things I want to do is go film a cemetery, and honestly, to film one in the rain I think would be pretty cool. It would require me to get soaked. I mean, I could take an umbrella, but then you're going to hear the umbrella. I don't know, that might be kind of cool. I like all the sounds and everything when it comes to a video. You know, I'm very attentive to all those little elements that come with things, you know. Leaves blowing in the wind and the sound of the leaves rustling, the sound of the rain hitting the leaves and, you know, dripping in puddles and things like that. All the sights and sounds just go together. Oh look, we have a visitor. Hello, visitor. Where did you come from? Just a random cat came up on the porch. Yes, that's a regular occurrence around here. Cats just show up out of nowhere and come up to visit. It's starting to come down again pretty good right now. Last night it was pretty crazy out here. Like out of nowhere it started storming. There was lightning all around. It was thunder, but it wasn't like a big crack of thunder, which is what I was expecting. It was just like deep, dark, rumbling thunder. In fact, I filmed a little bit of it, so here you can see that. Guys, this is nuts. It was quiet, and it was just really hot and dry out here just not too long ago, and then out of nowhere, here come these storms, thunder and lightning. Look at that. That is crazy. I love a good thunderstorm. I wish we'd have like a really loud crack of thunder, though. I mean, it's just been rolling and rolling and rolling. You hear how deep and rumbly that is? That is crazy. I need to bring my flag in, it's getting wet. I see my visitor doesn't want to leave. She's just sitting over here watching the rain. Hey. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, I thought that my carrier came and picked up my packages while I was sitting here, and I was just totally oblivious to it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go in here, finish my coffee, and start getting some work done. So wherever you guys are waking up, whatever time it is, make the best of your day. Do something for somebody else, pay it forward, and let's make this world a better place. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.